Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WeChat server access failure on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. When you're using WeChat and you get the prompt saying WeChat server access failure, all you have to do is go back and long press WeChat app. There you can see a small menu will appear. On the top right of that menu, you have to tap on app info. Once you go to app info, you have to scroll down and all you have to do is find that force stop button which is at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it. Another step you have to do is go ahead, scroll up and find storage option there. Under storage option, you can see there are options like app, data, clear cache and total. You have to select cache and clear it. Then you have to go ahead and clear data as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you fix WeChat server access failure. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.